Hello, I hope you all are doing well. So this side Nishtha Jain, and today we're going to make a card which we had made for Mother's Day. So here's the video for the same. So for this card we need to have a pencil, you need to have a scale, scissors, then you need to have like a glue, A4 size sheets. Then you need to have a cookie cutter. You can take something which is circular. I am using a tape roll, so since it's circular we can use that, and try to have the diameter as 10 centimeters for this circle. Okay, so here we go. So first of all you need to take an A4 size sheet in which you have to fold it half and press it from one of the sides. And this is the basic thing which we do for making a card. For this card you need to fold this front part towards this folded part and press it this way. This is the further half of the front part. Now you need to take a cookie cutter or the circular thing which you've taken, and what you need to do is put it halfway through it, and you need to mark a circle using it, like mark a semicircle using it on the folded part. After doing this, you'll see that there is a semicircle over here. You have to do it only leaving a little bit space on the top. Now when you're done with this, you have to cut this semicircle along with this whole paper. So after cutting this circle from it, you'll see that this semicircle from it, you'll see when you open it up, there is a circle inside it. Now after doing this, just keep it aside and you have to cut squares of 6 by 6 centimeters. So that squares have to be 5 in number. So after cutting these 6 by 6 squares, I've cut at least like 5 of them. Even if you want to paste more, you can do that too. In order to make flowers, what you have to do is you have to take these squares and fold it first into a half and then into a further half, and you have to do this for all of the squares you've cut. Now when you're done with this, you need to take these squares and you need to make like a curve on this fold, on this part where we have all the folds. So now make a curve right here, and on the top of the curve you have to draw a leaf. You can draw it either in the shape of a heart or you can draw some other shape as well. Now after drawing it, you need to cut it from here. Starting it from this point, you don't have to cut this part or this part which is just on the side of this curve. You just have to cut it along the leaf or the heart which you've drawn. Like this. And now after doing it, you can open it up and it will form a flower shape like this. So you have to continue doing this with all of the color, like all of these sheets which you've cut. After cutting all these flowers, what you can do is you can either paste it along the circle or you can paste it here at the bottom. So in order to give it a 3D look, what you can do is you can just cut it from each of these leaves like this. Don't cut it till the center, but just before the center, and you can just hold on to it and you can just fold it up and just put the glue only at the back of it over here and just paste it like this. So you can paste it along this whole circle, half circle, or either way you like. Now after pasting this, it looks something like this. Now you can decorate the top of it. You can either you can put some glitter paper over there, or you can just draw it using your sketch pens. You can color it as well. It's your own wish how you want to decorate the card. Now after decorating it, you need to cut out a strip of 25 by 8 centimeters and you need to fold it half, then into a further half, and make sure you press it from both the sides. Now open it up back again. Now what you have to do with this is that you have to paste it here. One part of it has to be pasted just below the line which you have here, like this, and the other one has to be, other last corner has to be pasted right here. So if you'll close the card, it opens up like this flat over here. Now when you're done with the pasting, you can decorate your card as you want to. You can either write some wishes over here, you can draw something over here, you can even write a message like for your mom right here. Also you can write a poem or anything what you want to for your mom or the one whom you have prepared the card for. I hope you like the video. Make sure you send the pictures of the card you prepared. Thank you so much.